PSP Lady Gamers assistant coach Vic Manuel shared the plans he wants to secure victory in the inaugural season of Women's Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Jamaica Bayaka has the details.
After losing in their first two games against Imus Magdalo and UST Growling Tigresses in the inaugural season of Women's Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, Lady Dreamers assistant coach Vic Manuel are considering many things to keep their team a top contender and win the championship title.
Kailangan naman talaga namin, bigyan sila ng kumpiyansa eh. Yun lang naman yung kulang sa kanila eh. So, gusto namin talagang sobrang kumpiyansa ka. Every time mo open ka, tira mo. Tapos yung decision making, yun pa rin yung problema eh. So, alam mo, kaya naman nilang gawin yan. Kailangan i-push lang namin sila. Lalo na si Coach TR, siya naman yung nagdidictate ng mga game plans namin sa ng sistema ng team.
Because the women's basketball players from different collegiate teams have come together in a team for the first time, Manuel said that pressure is one of the challenges their players are currently facing.
Siyempre gusto namin yan, enjoy nila yung basketball talaga eh. Huwag nila i-pressure yung sarili nila. So yun lang naman eh, pag napapressure ka, mas mawawala ka sa laro. So pag nag-enjoy ka, mas magiging maganda yung resulta ng laro mo, di ba? So yun lang, nire-remind lang namin sa kanila lagi yun na kailangan every game enjoy lang. Tapos huwag nila i-pressure sarili nila.
The Lady Dreamers roster includes players from various collegiate schools such as UAAP Mythical 5 team member Saila Rosa from UST and former Ateneo standouts Nick Cancio and Cara Buendia. Meanwhile, the team captain of the Lady Dreamers and former National University player Cristiana Di Maunahan shared what the team's focus will be for now.
Kasi ngayon lang din kami nagsama-sama, parang hindi naman kami magkakakilala. And chemistry takes years to build, even for professional players na mga lalaki and sa WNBA. Siguro ang takeaway lang namin is to just keep playing the right way kasi yun na nakikita kong kulang sa amin.
The Lady Dreamers will face the Galleries Tower on February 16. Jamaica Bayaka from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.